So I was doing a session at the AP Annual Conference about using dynamic applets to help deepen student understanding. And I've done a couple different versions of this talk over the years at different conferences, but it continues to evolve. What I'm seeing now is that students are used to interacting with handheld technology. It might be a phone, it might be a tablet, it might be a computer, but there's something dynamic that goes on when they interact. And so if we can design experiences in the classroom that help students think while they're interacting, not just click buttons and pinch and pull, it seems to me that they can be more engaged in the learning process. So if they can get involved in an applet that's well designed and they have a good sequence of questions to answer that's provided by you, the teacher, then the students can interact with that applet experience, come up with some ideas on their own, maybe test them with a couple of other students nearby. And the hope is that along the way, by engaging the ideas, they'll actually walk away with a deeper understanding of that concept. So for example, if they're trying to think about statistical inference, they'll be able to use an applet to help them understand, what does margin of error mean? We all hear it in daily life when a poll result comes out that the margin of error was 3 percentage points, but a lot of people don't understand what that means. So you can use an applet to help students visualize what 3% margin of error means. Or if you hear a p-value happened in a certain experiment, what is that? We can actually imitate the process of randomly assigning subjects to the treatments in the experiment and see what that random assignment process delivers in terms of likely and unlikely results. And at the end of the applet exploration, the students will have a better understanding of like, oh, so the p-value is just like a probability estimate based on simulation. That doesn't sound so complicated. And it's under the assumption that the random assignment is what's responsible. So I really like talks where the teachers can get hands-on with the subject and think about how they could do that with their students and have some back and forth interaction with them about things that they would do in their own classroom. And of course, always encouraging them to try the materials that I provide as a draft and show me their improvements on it. So it helps us all get better using the applets.